Всем привет! Меня зовут Slava. Сегодня мы летаем в такой вот местности, где куча старых вагонов. Надеюсь, вам понравится. Подписывайтесь на канал, ставьте лайки. Всего хорошего!
Interface with consciousness, and that we can make contact as civilians. We do not have to wait for the governments to do it. The universe is really folded within each one of us. That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible through each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit. Interface with consciousness, and that we can make contact as civilians. We do not have to wait for the governments to do it. The universe is really folded within each one of us. That the entirety of the cosmos is accessible through each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit. Consciousness, then you where these spacecraft or where their civilizations are. It may be on the other side of the mountain, it may be on the other side of the galaxy. And once you see them mentally, you then engage in what is called coherent thought sequencing, which is when you essentially go into their electronics, but also into their mind with permission, and tell them that you are an ambassador from Earth, and then in a very clear, coherent fashion, you show them where you are. So let's say that you've picked up that there's an object around the rings of Saturn, and you see these beams. You show them then how to go from Saturn to Earth. You show them that you're in north of London. You show them, you zoom into, the United Kingdom coming in from space. You show them what your house and your neighborhood and your field and wherever it is that you are looks like, and then you zoom them in and you vector them in very, very clearly. And you do this in an unbroken train of thought for as long as it takes.